The Selfish Gene. Chapter 5! And I love the number 5. Do I? Probably not as much as you might think so, but I do like odd numbers too, so I hopefully like the number 5. Let's start this video. Basically, chapter 5 is about aggression and the stability of a selfish machine. By that selfish machine, he's probably talking about us. And so right now, we're actually going to be talking about aggression, one of the best things that humans have been able to do in human history, which we are very, very not proud of. At least some of them we're not very proud of. Let's get the show started with. One thing here is that this chapter that I'm discussing right now is mostly misunderstood with the topic of aggression. Aggression doesn't always mean like, must fight to the death for the clan, to the warrior name, to the leader, to the tribe, to the country, to the continent. No, it's not like that at all. Instead, it means that we should keep like treating an individual as a selfish machine. Although this doesn't really count. Homo sapiens haven't found out to actually be able to cheat against these genes. And one of the best ways to actually do and reproduce and do much more things is to be able to have stability. Having all this stability, you could probably get one of the best items in your world. Homo sapiens aren't the only species to be seen to kill their own. Cats do that, dogs probably do that too, lions probably do that, tigers probably do that. I'm pretty sure almost every species does, in one way or another. More things seem to happen, and the selectivity of the pugnancy, but it's like a lot of things to be happening in one way. So, yeah. If there's a rival that you really need so that you can reproduce, then you could probably help that rival, or guys could just share, or you could just like do lots and lots of things. You could just do rivalry stuff like fighting each other to the death, which is exactly what they would probably do, and lots of other things too. It's a kind of pugnancy, and we need an ESS. Evolutionary stable strategy to be able to do everything like this, to be able to be like, how should I explain this in the simplest words possible, to be able to survive. Survival is one of the key goals. Charles Darwin was right about one thing though. Things seem to get tougher, but not in the way that you might think of. We can do math to this, but since that would make this video boring, I would not put that in here. And aggression isn't just a state of things where you guys can just fight each other. It's like the gene pool I talked about last time. The gene pool has lots and lots of things to really do, and one thing is that good genes are blindly just chosen to be reproduced and to be allowed to live forever. One more thing to really mention here is that bad genes will definitely be eliminated through, policing genes or through, evolution itself. And that's basically what chapter 5 is. There's a lot of tautology in the book, in this chapter itself. And the thing is, good genes blindly selected, that's not a theory. That's not even an observed fact. That's just tautology here. The interesting question about this, according to a quote, is what makes a gene good? You must be able to. A good gene could probably be one gene that could create a good survival machine. However, the gene pool will become an evolutionarily stable strategy and set of genes, and most new genes will arise don't usually help themselves in the environment, but it could probably help themselves in a different place. Good genes, bad genes, how do you tell the difference? Well, that's a question that you'll probably have to answer yourself, because I'm not telling you more. Just kidding, I'll tell you. Thing is, good genes will probably not be wiped out, bad genes will, but eventually good genes will turn into bad genes if climates and circumstances change permanently or just too temporary. Yeah. One population may have more than just one alternative state point, and you have to know that you have to evolve as much as you can. You have to evolve and evolve so much to actually get into a place into a better place. That's all I'm saying right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson, and I'll see you guys in chapter 6. Yay, we're almost halfway through the book now. Bye, guys. See you guys soon. And out. Peace. Da 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 da